Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 40. Today we learn Python packaging, building distributable packages from your code. We cover pyproject.toml, building wheels, and creating CLI entry points. You will package and share your own Python projects. A Python package needs dunder-init.py and a configuration file. pyproject.toml is the modern standard, replacing setup.py. The src layout keeps your package code separate from project files. We clean old files and install the build tool. The src layout keeps package code separate. We create it with mkdir. Dunder-init marks this as a package. We set the version and import calculator functions with relative imports. Dunder all controls what is exported. Now we define the calculator functions. Each function takes two numbers and returns the result. Divide raises a value error if someone divides by 0. pyproject.toml replaces setup.py for modern packaging. The build system section uses setup tools. Project metadata includes name, version, and description. Packages find with where src points to our code. Tree shows the clean project layout. Let us review all three files. Dunder-init sets the version and re-exports calculator functions. Calculator has 4 functions with input validation on divide. pyproject.toml configures build, metadata, and package discovery. Python-m build creates 2 distribution formats. A wheel is pre-built for fast install, and sdist contains source. Pip install works with local wheel files, not just from PyPI. We build the package with Python 3-m build. Build creates 2 files in the dist directory, a wheel and a source archive. The dist directory shows both distribution formats. The wheel file name shows version and platform. Inside the wheel, we see our package files and metadata. We install the wheel with pip. Pip installs the package from our local wheel file. Pip list confirms MathTools is installed at version 0.1.0. Now we write a test file. We import MathTools and print the version. Each function is tested with section headers, so the output is clear. Let us review the test file. Now we run the test to verify our installed package. All 4 operations work correctly. The version shows 0.1.0. Entry points turn Python functions into command line tools. Project.scripts in pyproject.toml defines CLI commands. After installing, the command is available system-wide. We create a CLI for our package using argparse. We import the calculator functions and set up argument parsing. The parser accepts an operation, then 2 numbers as floats. A dictionary maps each choice to the matching function. The main guard allows standalone execution. Now we update pyproject.toml to add the entry point. The build system and metadata stay the same as before. Project.scripts maps the MathTools command to our CLI main function. Let us review both files. CLI.py parses arguments and dispatches to the right function. pyproject.toml now has the scripts section. We rebuild the package and reinstall with force-reinstall. We test the CLI. Add 5.3 returns 8. Multiply gives 56. Dividing by 0 shows our error handling. Pip show displays the installed package metadata. Let us recap packaging. pyproject.toml replaces setup.py. The src layout separates package code. Python 3-m build creates wheels. Project.scripts creates CLI commands. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we cover best practices and PEP 8.